Alrighty, so we're gonna remove some English ivy today. A lot of times people think that you should rip it off the tree. That is the opposite of what we do. So you really want to cut the vine so that it is no longer going down into the ground and being able to survive from the resources that it's stealing from the ground. And then what's left on the tree will fall off on its own and die. So, on this little stuff, I can just use my weeding knife. On the bigger stuff, I'm gonna have to use something bigger to cut it. So if I were to just yank it off, it would cause wounds that sometimes the tree can't repair or can't come back from. We'll say it that way. And usually, it's never the vine that you think it is that's bringing in all the new growth. It's usually a hidden vine. English ivy is really good at tucking vines under the tree and stuff like that. Like, it really knows how to survive. I have to say that although I'm not a fan of its invasive behavior, I do respect that kind of grind, you know? It's gonna survive. It is a survivor. Okay? And then you just start ripping out the vine. And usually the vine comes out, like the roots will come out really easily. But sometimes when they're older, it's a lot harder to get, because like I said, they can tuck themselves into nooks and crannies. It's smart. It's really smart. It's a good method. Now, if you were doing a spot treatment, then basically you cut a window out, so there's a gap between the plant itself and then the pieces that you want to treat. And so you would, for example, treat a piece like this instead of pulling it out. But you always want to be very careful if you're using any type of herbicides near a tree. So a lot of people don't understand that trees can be very much affected. Alright, little guys, hate to be soil disruptive, but this one's gotta go. So you see a piece like this? Now if I was unable to dig that out, I'd want to treat that.